At Amelia Island Microgreens, we empower people to grow their own fresh, nutrient-dense food while fostering a sense of pride and accomplishment. The seeds of our business were planted long before its official founding in 2020. My personal journey with microgreens began at age 7 when, during a severe health crisis, I turned to a gut repair diet that included growing and eating microgreens. Not only did they help me heal, but growing my own food gave me a profound sense of pride and control over my well-being. This early experience inspired the belief that food can be medicine and set the foundation for our mission. In 2020, as the COVID-19 pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in the global food supply chain, my family and I decided to act. What started as a family garden to address our concerns grew into a broader effort to help others achieve food security. We created our first Ready, Set, Grow kits to empower people to grow their own fresh, nutrient-rich food at home. While we initially focused on growing and selling microgreens ourselves, we soon realized that education and empowerment were at the heart of our mission. Today, our kits are designed with high-quality organic, non-GMO, and pathogen-tested seeds, ensuring a safe, enjoyable, and rewarding experience. Customers tell us they love the hands-on joy of watching their greens thrive while contributing to their health and food security. For preppers, our kits offer a compact, reliable solution for growing fresh food in times of crisis, providing peace of mind and sustainability. Since starting Amelia Island Microgreens, I've written a best-selling book, Let's Get Growing, a teen's guide to entrepreneurial success, which has opened doors to paid speaking engagements. These opportunities have allowed me to inspire others with my journey and vision. Are you curious about the ease and fun of microgreens? I want to gift you my Microgreens Masterclass, valued at $250. Click the link in the description below and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on a microgreens video, whether you're looking to boost your health, reduce reliance on store-bought greens, or embrace the satisfaction of growing your own live, flavorful superfoods. Amelia Island Microgreens offers the tools, education, and inspiration to get you started and keep you growing.